In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Maps while driving. Before we begin, set everything up while you're safely parked. A quick prep helps you stay focused on the road and makes navigation smoother from the start. First, open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. If it's your first time, the app may ask for location access. Go ahead and allow it so maps can pinpoint where you are. For the best experience, make sure you have a solid cellular connection so live traffic and rerouting work reliably. Next, search for your destination. Tap the search bar, type the address or place name, and select the correct result from the suggestions. If there are multiple locations with similar names, peek at the city or neighborhood to confirm you've got the right one. You can also use the microphone icon to dictate the destination if that's more convenient. Once you've chosen a place, the location card will show details like hours and reviews, which can help confirm it's the spot you want. Now make sure you're in driving mode. At the top of the route preview, you'll see transport options. Select the car icon so Apple Maps plans a driving route rather than walking or transit. This ensures you get turn-by-turn directions tailored for road travel, including traffic and highway guidance. You'll see several route options appear, each with an estimated arrival time and notes about traffic or toll roads. Take a moment to compare them. If you want to avoid tolls or highways, open the route options and adjust those preferences. You can tap a route to preview it and zoom in to check tricky areas like interchanges or downtown streets. Pick the route that best fits your timing and comfort level. When you're ready, tap Go. You'll hear the first spoken instruction and see a clear visual of your next turn. If the voice is too quiet or loud, use your iPhone's volume buttons while the guidance is speaking to set a comfortable level. Consider turning on Do Not Disturb while driving to minimize distractions, and place your phone in a secure mount where you can glance at it without taking your eyes off the road. As you drive, follow the spoken turn-by-turn directions. Apple Maps provides lane guidance on complex highways, shows the distance to your next maneuver, and updates your arrival time based on traffic. If you miss a turn, don't worry, Maps will automatically reroute you. You can glance at the top of the screen for the next instruction, and if needed, adjust voice guidance from the on-screen audio controls. Stay alert, trust the instructions, and drive safely to your destination.